Welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the latest in tech and audio gear. Today we've got something exciting lined up. The first look at Samsung's Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These have just dropped into the spotlight, and the question on everyone's mind is clear: is this Samsung's bold answer to Apple's AirPods Pro, and if so, how do they stack up? Right off the bat, the design language has changed. Samsung is clearly going for a more premium and refined look. The case feels sturdier and more compact, while the buds themselves feature a sleeker stem-like design that honestly gives off an AirPods Pro vibe, but with Samsung's own signature twist. The buds now feature metallic accents and subtle curves that make them feel like a genuine upgrade from the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Fit and comfort are solid. These buds stay snug in the ear even after hours of use, and they're lightweight enough that you almost forget you're wearing them. Samsung says they've worked on ear pressure balance, and it shows. The longer sessions feel far more comfortable than before. Now let's talk sound. Samsung claims the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro come with enhanced two-way speakers and improved drivers, and the first impression backs that up. The clarity is on point, mids are rich, highs sparkle, and the bass is deeper and punchier than the previous generation. Watching movies or listening to music on these feels immersive and full-bodied. One of the headline features is the upgraded ANC active noise cancellation. Samsung has taken it to the next level here with AI-powered noise filtering, which adapts to your environment in real time. Whether you're in a noisy cafe, walking down a busy street, or sitting on a plane, these buds dynamically adjust the level of noise cancellation to suit the situation, and the transparency mode is noticeably better. It doesn't sound artificial and actually lets in your surroundings clearly when needed. Battery life is another win here. You're looking at up to 6 hours on a single charge with ANC on, and around 24 hours with the case. That puts it pretty close to the AirPods Pro 2, and in some cases even ahead. Wireless charging is supported, of course, along with fast USB-C charging and Samsung's own PowerShare feature if you want to juice them up with your Galaxy phone. Now connectivity and features. Samsung's new Galaxy AI Smarts are baked in here too. Real-time language translation, voice detect, and even ambient conversation awareness all work seamlessly with Galaxy devices. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem, these buds feel like they belong, but they're also fully compatible with any Android and even iOS, though you might miss out on a few advanced features. When compared side by side with AirPods Pro 2, it really comes down to ecosystem preferences and subtle differences. AirPods Pro still have the edge with spatial audio and seamless integration for iPhone users, but Samsung is closing that gap fast. The Buds 3 Pro offer slightly better battery and arguably more advanced adaptive ANC, plus you can get them in more color options, which is always a nice bonus. So should you upgrade if you're already in the Samsung world? This feels like a no-brainer. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are easily the best wireless earbuds Samsung has ever made, and for Android users especially, they might just be the best all-around choice right now. And if you're on the fence between these and the AirPods Pro, this is the first time we can truly say Samsung has leveled the playing field. That's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let us know what you think in the comments. Are you Team Galaxy or Team AirPods? Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dive for more hands-on reviews and audio breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.